Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel Ride with Passion and Explore by Saji Matthew. Now riding season is started now, so people are have started going to Leh Ladakh, Umlingla and all northeastern states. In order to prepare myself for the ride, I have bought some latest riding gears. In that I wanted a base layer for to wear inside my riding jacket. I purchased it from Rynox. Today I have got the package Rynox. Along with that I bought a Balaclava and a waterproof socks for riding in riding where there is water crossing and all, where in your riding boots, if it get wet, also it gets wet, the waterproof socks will prevent the water from entering your legs, and it will be difficult for you to ride. This is an unboxing video, so let's just unbox it and show you. This is a base layer. The top layer I have got, that is what you wear inside the jacket. Then the bottom base layer I have already purchased from Orion Motors. That's also from Rynox. I will just show you. I'll unbox it and show you. Let's open it. This is it. Just cutting out the carton cover. This is it, a small package. So this is the outer plastic cover, and then now cut this also. This is the thing. Yeah, this comes like this. This is Performance Balaclava Vapor Pro. You can see this packaging. This is a cover from Rynox. Next we have H2GO Pro socks, 100% waterproof it is. This till up to your shin level you can wear it. See the diagram here. This is it, second. And this is Vapor Pro Performance base layer. This is the vest. You can see this. This again is from Rynox. Module. You can see Rynox here. So just put this aside, nothing else in this cover there. This is the invoice. I will just tell you I'll share the costing also. The Balaclava costed me around how much? 600 rupees. Vapor Pro base layer upper double 2XL size black color, that costed me 1500 rupees. And H2GO waterproof socks, this costed me around 2950. All in all total I have paid 5050 rupees. This is the invoice. I purchased this directly from Rynox online, because in the local price dealerships they were not having the stock of actually base layer. Only the Balaclava and the waterproof socks was available. So I ordered it online. In few days time I have received it. So this is the bill. Now I'll just open the base layer and show you. This is it. This is the cover. See how it looks like. The Rynox logo. Just show you. Rynox logo on top. This is it. You can see. Then you have, this is full sleeve. And behind you can see Tritech Performance written here. Right. And the size and all that, double XL, which is my size. So it's completely, it will absorb the sweat, and then it is easy. After your rides you can just put it in a bucket of water and just rinse it, and put some maybe light detergent, rinse it and put it for dry, and it dries up very quickly. So it will be ready for the next ride, next day morning's ride. You can again use it. This is it. Then the next I will show you the Balaclava. Balaclava, you wear it under your helmet to again protect you from the sweat and dust and all that. This is another very good material. This is like this. You can see this is the opening for your face. Face is here. You can see this. opening for your face here, and here it's mentioned dry tech performance. You can see, then Rynox branding behind. This is the way you wear it on. Vapor Pro branding also given here. This is it. Then coming to the most expensive stuff is the socks, waterproof socks. I think it's expensive because it's 100% waterproof. From bottom, put the cover, H2 socks, 100% waterproof. You can see very clearly. Button, it's like this. Take it out, it's fixed strong. Height of sock 40 centimeter. Height of waterproof membrane is 30 centimeter. So water wading, water intact, water ingress. See, they have written. You can see. Maybe you can pause it and I hold it like this. You can pause it and read the details later. This is it. This is the socks. See the length. Waterproof membrane. Rynox branding again here. Good quality stuff. Dry core waterproof tech. It's mentioned here. Ladakh and all, when you are doing water wading, you can wear it inside your ankle length boots. This is 1 and 2 legs, left and right. This is it. So just bought these 3 items. Now bottom base layer I already have of Rynox. That's also around 1500 rupees. And to wear on top of this, I got my Dynasty jacket, Dynasty riding pants, and Dynasty riding boots also. So that makes the complete setup to go on tours or short rides and all that. And also have a Dynasty touring jacket and riding pants also with the waterproof Dynasty boots also. So all this, if I am doing an adventure touring on my Himalayan, I can use those touring jackets along with the waterproof shoes, Dynasty shoes. Otherwise, if I am doing a day or 2-day ride or something on my Hayabusa, then I can use my jacket, riding pants of Dynasty and the boots which I have. So time being, my gears all are set. Hope to see you all on more rides. This was a small unboxing video. Thanks for joining in. Please, if you like the video, please share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, and also like the video, so that it will be helpful for me to create more content regarding riding and riding accessories and riding experiences and all that. What I am doing on a day-to-day basis, which is my passion basically. So earlier I was busy with my work schedules and all that. I was not able to. Now I find some time to do this. When I am doing this and enjoying my passion, I would also like the like-minded people, like-minded upcoming riders, experienced riders, and the veterans like me who are riding from long time, to have an experience. It's only a platform which I have actually created so that I can have my memories in future, as well as share with people who are who can take it as an inspiration to do all this, enjoy their passion. That's it. Thank you very much guys for joining in. God bless and stay safe. Thank you.